Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to check applications timers in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for these options and how to check our applications timers. So we need to go to settings first. Then we are looking for our digital well-being and parental control. And in here we have our application timers. So what does it do? If you're using certain apps more than you'd like, set a timer to help you manage your usage. And how to check our timers. So for example, we have our as you can see, our settings and our clock has been used. So let's see what we have here. We have date, we have exact time and times we use it. And that's how we can check. That's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.